G'day guys, in today's video I'm just going to be talking about this 3-in-1 LCD separator, which I purchased probably about 5 or probably even about 8 years ago now. I originally purchased it as I was able to separate the display or get the displays out of a Galaxy S3 and a Note 1. Push these, turns on suction, and you can hold the screen there and you should be able to heat it up as well with the heat button. And you can separate it. It's a bit too small for an iPad, so I haven't really used it for that, but I have found a modern use for this machine. So rather than just let it sit on a drawer and never get used again, I've been using it as a PCB Pre-Heater. What does that mean exactly? It kind of means what it says, but in greater detail is when you go to work on the PCB, if I start heating up, let's say, the Type-C port without the board being hot, it would try to slowly heat up the whole board before it would concentrate the heat where I require it. With the PCB preheater, this board is already heating up to roughly 120 degrees Celsius. So then when I go ahead and add 360 degrees Celsius onto the Type-C port, that heat's mostly staying there, which means in turn I can remove that a fair bit quicker, and any work I need to do on it is done a bit easier. So this, in combination with my hot air station, which is a quick 861DW, and my Hakko F951, usually does most of the work pretty well. So, even though you might have some old equipment laying around the shop, or your repair center, or your home, sometimes it's handy improvising, purely to get better results. Anyway, that's my 3-in-1 A-frame separating machine, which gets used for PCB preheating. Catch you guys later. Bye.